Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your first name on LinkedIn using your PC, especially after the recent updates. Whether you're rebranding yourself or simply prefer a different name, these steps will help you make that change seamlessly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon located at the top right corner of your homepage. This icon is usually represented by your profile picture. Click on it to access a drop-down menu. Next, from the drop-down options, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now, focus on the Account Preferences section. Here, you'll find different settings related to your profile. Click on this option to proceed. Under Account Preferences, you will see a section labeled Profile Information. Within this section, click on Name, Location, and Industry. This is where you can edit how your name appears on your profile. Once you're in the name settings, look for the first name field. Here, you can enter your new first name. Make sure to double-check the spelling to ensure it reflects exactly how you want it to appear. After you've made the necessary changes, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial as it ensures that all your updates are recorded correctly. And that's it. Your first name on LinkedIn has now been updated successfully. Remember that this change may take a moment to reflect across the platform, so don't be alarmed if it doesn't appear immediately. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on navigating LinkedIn and enhancing your professional online presence. Happy networking!